The other thing I'm person me can ho asem. Na no na me na wo ka HUBTEL ho asem e wa ha.
Right.
So what dey aban ne kan say ECG. Omusi kagege no ekosoro.
Right.
From 900 million Ghana cedis no. E hwiri ko 1.7 billion. I think 1.7 1.9 billion Ghana
1.7 billion.
1.7 billion. Now no me catch you said the monthly target no eh 2 billion Ghana cedis.
Right.
But BBS ma aban no ECG ene sika no akoso sika gege na akosoro ma sesei sika ne ba sa cash flow no obia ya ne se de be ya sika ne toma IPP say independent power producers no first no mo ka say aban chairman kana metum no say obia nya ne de kakra enti eso a wo de wo ma na wanya wo de kakra
Right.
And until na amadum son sem no eso et no.
Right.
So the name can wa ha ne say incompetent into we here aban bi obeye serious said the beya ECG beye serious agigi sika no wa hu de asi asem na name kan ne say you don't necessarily need HUBTEL. What you need is say ubedi enhyehyeye papa bi beto na wo ye san hyehyeye na what jisika ama on my Ghana because ye will obi wo ho na wote wa na waye na adwin se sika won jeje wo ECG ho aban ni show leadership no HUBTEL no osa review contract ni mane ba form no aban ema na ni breye no say ECG 40 million sika first no na ye 900 million Ghana cedis no say within just 10 months 11 months no yetimia jeje over 1.7 billion Ghana cedis.
So this points to the fact that most of the contracts are signed or how including our oil normal baby or how but I think the point we were making was that the idea wasn't wrong. The idea of bringing in that thing wasn't wrong, but contract, the way I see no a benefit the other maybe a company now or banoni adeno, and which the country has to take a real look at, and that is exactly what you were saying. Is to force a review of the contract between HUBTEL anyway, and so I believe say we should channel this one to other contracts now. Whether say oil. Any sector that will go about, you know, a contractor, be prudent. Let them first will say yabre.
Media they may can say I don't have a problem. Say I buy be na adwin say ankran so enye bidia. Yeah. Me nips have problem no. The other me wo problem no say I buy no betimi aya.
Yeah.
Ankran sam no embemu.
Yeah.
But wuti.
Yeah.
Because sikano usi obi ntimi ngigi ni yie dia yen hyehyɛ to na nipa no ngigi ni yie mawo
right
obi wie sika no siano kwan se de be nipa kro ni wie sika if you say HUBTEL dia kra ye yemfa say 2% mpo a sa sika no you just need a competent person to fill in the HUBTEL area no
right.
But what you say, you just need somebody to say, ye mini gunti ni ekofa company bi buy. Enti sa company ni nso ye gigi sika ni nyina awia. Ne percent na ni commission no. Sa sika no nti yentimi nti obi ka ma ni nsia no.
Okay.
What you say?
Right.
Because now that why calculation mommy. Now that a year 1.7 million Ghana cedis no. Billion.
Yeah.
1.7 billion Ghana cedis no. Say HUBTEL jimu 1% to credit saying.
That's about 170 million.
HUBTEL or Jimu. As I make a note, I say, me say, sir, 1.7 billion Ghana cedis near Yajino. Say HUBTEL, and I didn't know when the commission 1% in point. Sikase no benya.
10% and now 1%.
1% mean
1%. That will be around about 17 million. Let's take it that way. Yeah.
Which is 170 billion.
Yeah.
And you partner say, yentimi ntia obika bosome 20,000. na onye say adwuma na HUBTEL ye no by making sure say sika ne agye ne pepepe.
Right.
A question am bisa no nyima no.
O say
tie me ha.
Say adenti a mintimi nti wase ewo. Say yempe wo bi ne say. Eye bibini o e Ghana ni.
Debi so we ne sadia.
No, nana over the years.
We ne sadia. Over the years no betimi ayama na yi.
But it's still using the HUBTEL technology.
What I am saying is that
just review contract.
What I am
country need benefit. I understand. So, but the idea of bringing that technology wasn't wrong. And no, me says all the nipa be replaces technology now. Say nipa be discount. So we will still go back to the same.
Remember simple thing. National service for ne buy no.
Right.
Omu be hu say national service for technology no mu use back no. Omu di wi ade. Me boa. Omu di wi ade. Yeah. Tan yesusu no national service no omo kan sa app na omo use no international service omo ba omo use app foforo bi national service for deal omo the app foforo ba national service for na coordinate into sa
no working effectively
and that's what I'm saying say which is for the aban and not ankrankre.
Which is for the Aban and
a national service for app na omu use no. And no na near see a bokrono and Aban am a different app. No na omu de national service no ya monitor untimin disika. And my argument is that me ya Aban HUBTEL machine no. Meti ama me IT for yesa machine ni bia ma me. Sa machine no is either there made 12 free HUBTEL ho for say HUBTEL sa mo machine na mo de Jimmy Missy kama me no fama me and say me man krofo aye aban de ama me ne mo pen krofo a omunim de na mo nya kromfo na mo monitor na gigi sa sika na HUBTEL agi a ono te na ebia ne 1% no na sa sika 17 million Ghana cedis no asaba beka ECG ho na sa sika no ye yibi e de atua nkrofo ka yi.
So now the challenge is not the technology now but the contract. The scanner because say me tiwa
two folds
but I think
contract
say maybe I lose scanner is about the contract but you agree say even a buying at all software no eto ye free and krankra bia wire software ne nsem no no adigi djuma no e benefit ye which ye lose. Now through the contract and na say aban no ato ana on to especially with
national service so men HUBTEL don't tell you
say HUBTEL the end the duro
and the yes HUBTEL the no on to you we review nti HUBTEL no e boy ECG sika no
and I was saying here
HUBTEL so won the commission and I'm saying say sa commission no still na ye betimi anya aban dia ye betimi atua nkofo kana aban app no aye adwuma HUBTEL ye no na sa sika na nka HUBTEL benya no eba aban ho na ECG de bi o madwumam.
Right.
On see the mechanism.
Yeah, you have a point there. So, say you better na here
media e wo afidie sa afidie no e ha adwen enti in the interim wakofa akokɔ afidie a ɔno de sika no be hu sa akokɔ agi sa sika ni nyina awie na e bia 1 billion a month akokɔ e wo 1% bia oje which is bia 10,000 and maintenance say na say 10,000 yen kase betimi aye ya fidie na sa fidie no agigi sa sika na mayen
right
na akokɔ ade na de bi oje 10,000 no sabi betimi ayi 2,000 e dia ma obi atwa obi ka na sa de aka no be dia ba ba share fidie e ye kan sa adwumanim e bia no
right.
What is the big deal in this? Because obinya sabi 17 million Ghana cedis aban betimi aye nhyehyeye a sa 17 million Ghana be ko ECG ho a e be aban fidie. For me in general member ato 8/10 waya ade
right
the okaye ni nyina no based on data
right
yes of course nyanya no benya the right but we say nkofo bi de ba ne na se for but whatever it is I think say yen nyina njintum say
he's done well
aban way Joma Hama aban part 2 no chen na no
thank you Nana Kwadwo Jantuah and Nhyira 104.5